Studio level video is no longer locked behind million-dollar budgets. And if you see a viral ad and think you could never make that, watch this. This is Dreamina, ByteDance's all-in-one AI creative platform on the web, the same parent company as TikTok. To try it online, simply go to Dreamina website, link in the description, and get your access. The big news is Dreamina Seedance 2.0. This is ByteDance's advanced video generation model, now rolling out globally in phases. In this video, I'm sharing some of the capabilities I explored during internal testing. Paired with Seedream 5.0 Lite for images, it gives you a powerful dual setup for images and video in one workspace. Now here's what it feels like in real use. Scenario 1, e-commerce. Normally a product video means a model, a location, a camera, editing, and days of back and forth. In Dreamina, you drop in your product images, add style references, write one prompt, and Dreamina Seedance 2.0 generates an amazing promo with strong product consistency, real camera language, and clean pacing. And one person suddenly looks like a full creative team. Scenario 2, trend chasing. A transition or meme goes viral, and by the time that you shoot it, it's dead. With Dreamina Seedance 2.0, you can recreate the vibe fast by guiding motion, camera movement, VFX, and editing style. Same energy, but in your own style, so it actually fits your brand. Where Dreamina Seedance 2.0 stands out is control. On the web platform, you can already reference images, text, and video, and stack up to 12 reference files in a single generation to guide different creative dimensions. You mainly do this through two input models, first and last frame if you want a simple start plus prompt, and omni-reference if you want to combine multiple references together. Now here are the standout capabilities. Character and object consistency, where you generate a vertical 9 to 16 UGC style clip with a natural handheld feel, and the character stays consistent across the exact duration. Now font and branding consistency, where you start from a first frame, orbit the scene, and show text using the font style from a reference image while the color grade shifts into a premium look. Editing videos like photos, adding or replacing elements with one prompt, like inserting a subject from a reference image into an existing video while maintaining multi-angle consistency. Rhythm control and fast cut pacing to handle rapid beats and deliberate editing patterns so that it feels like a real edit rather than floaty AI motion. Intelligent continuation to extend an existing clip by a few seconds while maintaining the same story and cinematography. Multiple shot narrative to produce coherent sequences with shot-to-shot consistency, making short dramas and series-style edits finally realistic.
What are you two doing? He started it!
No, I didn't!
You did!
Did not!
Audio-visual sync to generate lip sync, voiceovers, and sound effects together with the visuals for more realism.
I didn't expect to love this city this much. The energy here feels different. It's loud, it's chaotic, but in a good way. I love how every street feels alive. The architecture, the people, even the random little cafes, it all feels so inspiring. I feel like something is always happening around me.
Better physics, motion and weight that achieve grounded footage with subtle flow and weight, like brushstrokes or ink dispersing in water. The workflow is simple. Go to the Dreamina web app, select Dreamina Seedance 2.0, upload your assets, and use the @ symbol in your prompt to reference them by name and define exactly what each one controls. Generate, iterate, export, done. I'll drop the full working prompt for one of the showcases in my pinned comment. Use the link in the description to get access now, jump in, and try Dreamina Seedance 2.0 with Seedream 5.0 Lite. Dreamina is rolling out Dreamina Seedance 2.0 globally in phases, so stay tuned. The features shown in this video are based on my internal testing experience. Join the project, subscribe, and comment how you would use this. E-commerce ads, short drama, or trend remakes. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.